Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do green screen in CapCut. So to get started, launch CapCut. Add new project, then import the background of your video into the main track. Next, we are gonna unselect the footage and then click on Effect. Click on Video Effects. Search for Blur Effects and select it. Now, extend the blur all over your background. Here I'm using a video for my background, but you can use a photo too. Next, go back and then click on Overlay. Add overlay now and import any photo you want into your timeline. Now expand the overlay to fit in the screen. Now adjust it and review the video. When you feel okay with the result, export it and save it. That's easily how you can do green screen in CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.